If you're looking for an easy side dish, then you've come to the right place. Our creamed spinach comes together in less than 15 minutes. Melt butter in a medium saucepan. Add in flour and mix until well blended. Add in minced garlic and stir with a wooden spoon. Cook for another minute. Slowly pour in the milk while whisking constantly and cook for another 5 minutes. Season the sauce with salt and pepper. In a large saucepan, melt the remaining butter. Add the spinach in small increments until it wilts enough to fit all in one pan. Add the spinach to the cream sauce along with the balsamic vinegar and stir until everything is well combined. You can find more easy side dish ideas on our website.